Emma, I need your advice.
Sure. What's happening?
I just signed up for a cooking school.
Really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, but there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
The entire class is in English.
Oh, I see.
I'm worried I won't understand the kitchen phrases.
That makes sense. Kitchen English can be tricky.
Exactly. Words like chop or boil confuse me.
Don't worry. We can practice together.
You'll teach me?
Of course. We'll take it step by step.
That makes me feel better.
We can cook 3 meals, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Great idea. And maybe a little afternoon tea.
Perfect. And while we practice, we'll speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, so I can follow easily.
And don't forget, please like and subscribe.
You're right.
Emma, I still feel nervous about the class.
Why is that?
Because the teacher speaks only English.
That can be difficult at first.
I'm afraid I won't catch the instructions.
You just need practice with kitchen phrases.
Like wash the vegetables or boil the eggs.
Exactly. Those are very common.
But sometimes the words sound too fast.
Don't worry. We'll speak slowly.
That helps a lot.
And we can repeat each phrase many times.
Okay, that sounds possible.
We'll start with easy steps.
Easy is good.
Then, little by little, you'll feel confident.
So, with your help, I can survive the cooking school.
More than survive, you'll enjoy it.
I like the sound of that.
So, Emma, what do we cook first?
Breakfast. Let's keep it simple.
Good. I like simple.
Step 1. Wash the vegetables.
Wash them. You mean with water?
Yes, rinse them under running water.
Like this? Hold them and let the water flow?
Exactly. Keep rinsing until they look clean.
They still feel a little dirty.
Rub them gently with your hands.
Oh, now the dirt is coming off?
Perfect. That's how we wash vegetables in the kitchen.
It takes more time than I thought.
Yes, but it's important for safe cooking.
Okay, these look clean now.
Great. Put them on the plate.
Done. First step complete.
Nice job. You've learned your first kitchen phrase.
Wash the vegetables. Easy. Emma, what's the next step after washing vegetables?
Now, we boil the eggs.
Boil. That means cooking them in hot water, right?
Exactly. Put the eggs into the pot of boiling water.
Careful. The water is really hot.
Yes. Drop them in gently so they don't crack.
How long should I cook them?
About 10 minutes. That makes them hard-boiled.
10 minutes feels long.
Patience, Alex. Cooking takes time.
Can I cover the pot?
Yes. Cover it and let the steam build up.
Okay, the water is bubbling.
That's perfect. Keep the heat steady.
Waiting is the hardest part.
True, but you'll have tasty eggs soon.
All right, I'll watch the clock.
Great! So, remember the phrase, Boil the eggs.
Got it. Boil the eggs. Emma, the eggs are still boiling. What's next?
While we wait, let's toast the bread.
Toast? You mean put the slices in the toaster?
Exactly. Slide them in and press the button.
How long should I wait?
Until they turn golden brown.
Oh, I love that smell when bread is toasting.
Me too. It always feels like morning comfort.
True. Okay, the toast is ready.
Great! Now let's pour the milk.
Pour it into the glasses?
Yes, hold the glass steady and pour slowly.
Oh, careful. I almost spilled some.
Don't worry, just go slowly.
All right. Both glasses are full.
Perfect. So now we have toast, milk, and soon eggs.
Breakfast is coming together. So, Emma, what are we cooking for lunch?
Let's start with vegetable soup and fried chicken.
Sounds delicious. What's the first step?
Chop the onions.
Chop. You mean cut them into small pieces?
Exactly. Use the knife carefully.
Knives make me nervous.
Just take it slow. Keep your fingers away from the blade.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, that's good. Keep chopping evenly.
Ooh, my eyes are starting to water.
That's normal with onions.
It stings a little.
Just blink and keep going.
All right, almost done.
Perfect. That's enough onion for the soup.
Wow, chopping takes energy.
True, but you did great.
So, today I learned chop the onions.
Exactly. Easy and useful.
Okay, the onions are ready. What's next?
Now we fry the chicken.
Fry? So I put the chicken in a pan with oil?
Exactly. Heat the oil first, then add the chicken.
The oil is sizzling loudly.
That's the sound of frying. Keep stirring so it cooks evenly.
All right, it's turning golden brown.
Perfect. Now add some salt.
How much should I add?
Just a little. Sprinkle it gently over the chicken.
Like this?
Yes, that's just right.
The smell is amazing.
Salt makes the flavor better.
I'm starting to feel like a chef.
You're learning fast, Alex.
Fry the chicken. Add some salt. Easy phrases. Tasty food.
Exactly. Lunch is on the way.
Emma, the chicken looks almost done. What should I do now?
While it finishes, let's stir the soup.
Stir. You mean move everything around with a spoon?
Exactly. Use this big spoon and stir slowly.
Like this? In a circle?
Yes, that mixes all the vegetables and broth together.
The smell is getting stronger.
That's the magic of soup. Keep stirring.
It's hot standing near the steam.
True, but you're doing well.
Should I stir faster?
No, slow and steady is better.
All right. The soup looks colorful now.
Perfect. That means it's cooking evenly.
Stir the soup. Easy phrase, tasty meal.
Exactly. Another phrase for your kitchen English.
I think I'm really learning. Emma, the food smells ready. What should we do next?
Now we set the table.
Set the table? You mean put everything in place?
Exactly. Start with the plates.
Okay. One plate for each person.
Good. Now add the forks and spoons.
Should I put the glasses too?
Yes, place them above the plates.
All right. The table looks neat.
Perfect. Now let's serve the rice.
Serve the rice? Just scoop it onto each plate?
Exactly. 1 scoop for everyone.
I'm trying to make the portions the same.
That's the best way. Equal for all.
Okay, the rice is served.
Great work.
So today I learned set the table and serve the rice.
2 very useful phrases for lunchtime.
Emma, the table looks beautiful.
Yes, everything is ready for lunch.
But I think the rice needs a little more flavor.
Then ask me for the salt.
Okay, can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure. Oh, wait. This is sugar.
Sugar? Oops, wrong one.
It happens. Here, this is the salt.
Thanks. I'll sprinkle just a little.
Perfect. That should taste better now.
Cooking and eating both need attention.
True. Small mistakes can change the flavor.
But with your help, I feel more confident.
You're improving every step.
So today I learned, pass the salt.
Exactly. A short phrase, but very useful at the table.
I'll never forget it. Emma, lunch was great. What's next on the menu?
Let's make something sweet for afternoon tea.
Sweet? Maybe a cake?
Exactly. First, mix the batter.
Batter? You mean stir flour, eggs, and sugar together?
Yes, keep mixing until it's smooth.
Oh, oops, some batter splashed out.
That happens. Just stir slowly.
Okay, it looks smoother now.
Perfect. Next, preheat the oven.
Preheat? Turn it on before we bake?
Right. Set it to 180 degrees.
Done. The oven is warming up.
Great. Now put the pan inside and bake the cake.
For how long?
Around 30 minutes.
Waiting again. Baking takes patience.
Yes, but the smell will be worth it.
I can't wait to taste it. Emma, the afternoon tea was amazing. What about dinner?
For dinner, let's grill the fish.
Grill? So I cook it on high heat?
Exactly. Place it on the pan and let it sizzle.
The sound is loud.
That's perfect. Turn it once so it cooks evenly.
Okay, it's turning golden and crispy.
Great. While it finishes, taste the sauce.
It needs more salt.
Then add a little, just like before.
Done. The flavor is better now.
Excellent. Dinner is ready. Let's eat.
Best part of the day.
After eating, we must clean up.
The hard part. Wash the dishes first?
Yes. Then wipe the counter.
All clean now.
Perfect. Another day of kitchen English completed.